Hello and welcome back to the Osborne Wood Products Builder Studio. I'm Sarah and today we have another new table build for you. In this one we're going to be using a new table base kit that we're coming out with here shortly. It'll be called our Squire table base and it's one of those really beautiful monastery style table bases. We're going to be assembling the table base and all kinds of fun stuff, so make sure you stick around. So since this table kit is going to be so long, I actually am going to need some assistance in assembling it. We usually recommend 2 people because it's a very long table base kit. So I'm going to be joined today by one of our marketing associates, Jonah. You may have seen him in a couple of our other videos helping out.
All
right, so you've already assembled this kit.
Yes.
Where do we start?
So the best place to start is going to be just your main border. So basically how the way this kit works, and you'll see a little bit more when we get there. But we're going to start with our top mortise and tenons. This one also has a kind of a running board going along the whole stretch in the middle. So that's what this you'll see this center cut out for is flat and not the same orientation as this one. So that's where we're going to start. So I think it'd be best to just put it on the floor and adjust our camera angle so we can get that done.
All right, let's get to it. All right.
So before we move on, we're going to go ahead and build our center support beam. So it's going to be easier if you can get that built first. Then we can basically lay this down and put the other one on top of it.
So typically when we're assembling table bases like this, we recommend the addition of glue just to help keep everything together for additional strength and stuff like that. In this case, since this is one of our marketing tables and we may be disassembling it for transport in the future, like to trade shows and such, we're not going to glue it. But that is an option for you if you want to do that.
And one thing you can do, you can take a soft piece of like a towel or a blanket, and then you can just take a mallet and kind of tap it in the side. So.
Okay, so the next step is probably a pretty familiar step if you've seen our table base kit builds in the past. We're going to screw the skirt boards into the table legs right here, and then we're going to bolt down the corner blocks. So now that we have installed our corner blocks, we're just going to go ahead and tighten the bolts down to really bring everything together and tighten the whole kit up. All right, we're done assembling our new table base kit, so make sure you guys stick around. We'll have a part 2 coming soon where we build a custom tabletop to go along with this kit. So make sure you like and subscribe. We also have a number of other build videos. If you're interested in watching more, you can check those out on our Builder Studio playlist. The link for the new table base kit is going to be in the description box down below. If you're interested, you're welcome to go ahead and check it out. While you're down there, feel free to leave us a comment if there are any builds that you'd like to see, any products of ours that you may be interested, anything like that. We read all of our comments and we're interested to hear what you guys have to say. So until then, we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.